In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wise. Wise is a digital service that helps you send, receive, hold, convert, and spend money across different currencies without the usual complexity of traditional banking. Think of it as a multi-currency account you can manage from your phone or computer, designed to be transparent about rates and fees. To get started, create a free Wise account on the website or through the mobile app. You can choose a personal or a business account. After signing up, you may be asked to verify your identity. This can include uploading an ID and, in some countries, a proof of address. It's a standard security and regulatory step, and completing it early can help your transfers move smoothly. Once your account is set, decide what you want to do. Wise supports sending money internationally, receiving payments from overseas, holding and converting multiple currencies, and spending or withdrawing money abroad with a Wise debit card where available. You can mix and match these based on your needs, whether you're paying a friend, handling invoices, or preparing for travel. If you're sending money, start by entering the amount and choosing the currency you want the recipient to get. Before you confirm, Wise shows you the exchange rate and the fees clearly, so you know exactly what will arrive on the other end. Take a moment to review this page. It's designed to prevent surprises. Next, provide the recipient's bank details. The person you're paying doesn't need a Wise account, just the standard bank information for their country, such as an account number or IBAN. Double-check these details to avoid delays. Then choose how you want to pay. Depending on your region, you can fund the transfer by bank transfer, debit card, credit card, or other supported methods. Different methods may affect speed and cost, so pick what suits your priorities. Once you confirm, Wise handles the conversion if needed and sends the money, often faster and at a lower overall cost than traditional international transfers. If you need to receive money from overseas, Wise supports that too, and you can hold funds in multiple currencies within your account and convert when it makes sense for you. If you have a Wise debit card in your country, you can spend internationally or withdraw cash from ATMs, with the app helping you track spending and manage your balance. That's the overview of how to use Wise. Sign up, verify if prompted, choose your task, and follow the on-screen steps with clear rates and fees.